So, welcome to A Farrier's Life. In this video, we're still talking about shoes. We're going to talk about size range from something like this to something like this. So we've touched on the fact that horseshoes come prefabricated out of the factory. They come in all different styles depending on what type of activity you and your horse are doing. Once you've picked the style of shoe that you want that's suitable, then they come in a range of sizes. They'll come from something like this, double nought. They come in triple noughts, quadruple noughts. They start at nought, 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 nought. And they go double nought, nought, ones, twos, threes. I don't have a size 4, but then they skip up to a size 5 like this. Huge big thing for a working draft horse. You know, they go right up to a size 8, so that thing would be colossal, you know. The shoes that I typically use are these here. I've got a few very small ponies that we put them on, but actually generally speaking I go from a Kirkhart size range, nought, ones and twos, and they are slightly, each one is slightly smaller than the other one, and depending on what type of horse you're working on, we'll just select the closest size that fits. We make slight modifications and we fit the shoe. So I'm here in the van. This is where I keep all my shoes, and basically this is a size range. And during the week, once every couple of weeks, I have to order new shoes just to fill up the ones that I've used. So we've got our double noughts, our noughts, ones, twos and threes, and they go from the smallest all the way up to the largest. This side here is all of our front shoes. This side here is all of our hind shoes. So as you can see, I just fill up the gaps with what I'm missing. And that's it. So when it comes to a work day, I just pull my toolboxes out from there, and I've got all this selection on hand. I've got my boxes here with a variety of different nails. It's very simple, very effective, and it's what I like. Just nice and simple. Keep things simple, eh? So there we are. Just run you through a little bit about shoes in the last couple of videos, the different styles, and obviously the fact they come in various different sizes. At the end of the day, we're shoeing horses to protect the lower limb of the horse, and all the sensitive tissue that surrounds this, all the nerves and blood vessels. We're shoeing them because we're asking them to do things which, you know, they wouldn't necessarily do if they were a wild horse. We're keeping them in environments which they wouldn't necessarily live if they were a wild horse. All these things require the horse to have a little bit of extra protection, and that is all these shoes are there for. They're there to offer a little bit of protection and to serve some sort of function in terms of grip and traction, and that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, and you've got other friends that are into all this stuff, you know, share it with them. Feel free to share it with them and ask questions, and if I can, I'll respond to those questions. Those questions can be things which I could do another little video on, you know, so that I can illuminate you on the things that you are wondering about. Okay, catch you later.